So Michael's new to you too?
Yeah, Michael just joined us about a month ago. We ordered you an egg for Hatta. And you guys wanted...
Like it. Good, very much. Thank you very much.
How long has it been since you were on a bike?
A while. Last time I rented with you guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit, that's, how many years ago?
Probably 10 years.
Really?
Yeah.
10 years?
We've been here 21, so I rented twice. Once when I first got here, and then probably 10 years later.
No kidding. What you said?
I said I think I'm going to die.
Well, actually, I can tell you're a good rider. How do you like the GS?
Good, good. I'm looking to buy a new GS now. So
Really?
Yeah.
And it's all because of this one?
No. But I'm driving a 90 now.
Oh, really?
Combler 90 from BMW.
So you like the BMWs?
Yes, we can say like this, but I like others also.
How long have you been riding?
I was riding 25 years ago, different kind of motorbikes. Then I stopped because I get married and so on. And now that I'm become older and more...
Not single, I hope?
No, not single, still married. But I become older and more reasonable. Then I'm still driving since 2 years, still riding since 2 years ago. Motorbike.
Soundstripe.